Hello everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies, specifically for nerve damage. You know, that tingling, numbness, or pain that can really impact your quality of life. While there are medical treatments available, many of you have been asking about natural ways to support nerve health. So today, we're exploring 10 incredible foods that can help heal nerve damage. These foods are packed with nutrients that can help reduce inflammation, protect nerves from further damage, and even promote nerve regeneration. Let's start with a favorite, salmon. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve health. They help reduce inflammation and improve nerve conduction, allowing your nerves to communicate more effectively. Think of them as the insulation for your nerve wiring. Next up is turmeric, a spice with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to help protect nerves from damage and even promote nerve regeneration. Adding a dash of turmeric to your meals can make a big difference. These little powerhouses are bursting with antioxidants, which help protect your nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of them as little shields, guarding your nerves from harm. Plus, they're delicious and versatile. Eggs aren't just a breakfast staple, they're packed with choline, a nutrient crucial for synthesizing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters play a vital role in mood regulation, sleep, and even pain perception. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, ensuring your nerves are firing on all cylinders. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it's particularly helpful for nerve pain. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce neuropathic pain, providing much-needed relief. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for nerve conduction. These fats help improve the transmission of nerve signals, ensuring your nerves are communicating effectively. Nuts are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cell membranes from damage. Think of vitamin E as a protective barrier, shielding your nerves from harm. Plus, they're a satisfying and convenient snack. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to promote nerve growth factor production. Nerve growth factor is essential for the growth and survival of nerve cells, helping your nerves stay healthy and functional. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a crucial role in nerve repair and health. Vitamin C helps protect nerves from damage and supports the production of collagen, which is essential for nerve tissue. So there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can help heal nerve damage and support overall nerve health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can provide your nerves with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.